All right, we are on Blizzard River. Got Robin, Tommy, Melissa. Say hi, guys.
Hello.
Blizzard River. And here we go. What?
Oh no, I put my sunglasses.
It's in the locker.
Yeah, they're in the locker.
Yeah, it was too bright.
I just hope I don't get wet. Seriously.
Come on, that's the fun of it, though.
Watch. They're in the spot.
I probably am.
You are in the zone.
Because you are that mofo.
I told you to sit down here. You don't want to listen to me.
Because you sat over here.
I did. I want to get wet.
No, you don't.
Why do you think I sat over there? What?
I don't know.
I'm surprised they didn't buckle these in.
I'm going to get wet.
Oh, yeah. Here you go. Watch, Christian. Watch. You're right in the beginning of the...
Yeah, I know.
Here we go.
Oh, shit. Didn't get wet. Okay, it needs to spin. Spin now. Spin. Here we go.
No.
Here we go.
One
Spin.
more time. Oh, Steve, you're done. You're done.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Oh,
Spin.
shit.
One more time.
No, stay out.
Ah!
Yeah, Tommy.
Oh, no. I am so...
And that's where you wanted me to sit.
Steve, look.
Yeah? Look. Ah! Ah!
Oh, my God. It's so funny.
Oh,
I didn't get much wet.
I feel better now. Oh no.
Yes.
Woo.
What? Oh, I see.
I did.
Oh, shit.
Oh
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh. Oh, my God. That's cold water.
It is.
It is cold. My glasses are all wet. Oh. Oh.
That felt good, though.
It does. It does feel good.
no. That feels good.
And we'll dry off in no time.
Oh, I know.
Oh, my God.
Oh, no. One more time. Spin.
There we go.
Oh, here we go.
Right? More water sprinklers.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh no.
Didn't get it. Thank God.
Oh, no.
It's going around now. It's going around. Tommy's going to get it one last
No,
time.
I ain't.
One last time, Tommy.
Wow, I'm gonna get it.
Going around.
You, buddy. This
No,
is
it's all on you. It's all on you. Here we go, Tommy. Right now. Oh. Tommy twice. That was the seat I was going to sit in. That was the seat. See? He was setting me up. You knew it. You knew it, Tommy.
I set you up.